Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. And people are complaining about the battery life. Well, in today's video, first I'm gonna show you what battery life I am getting, and then I'm gonna share some tips and tricks through which you can enhance the battery life of your iPhone. So, without any further delay, let's get jump into this video. So I will definitely go to the settings over here, to the battery section over here, into the let the battery stats load last 10 days. If I show you the stat of maybe this day over here, as you can see, I used around 65% of my phone according to this graph, and I got 7 hours plus screen on time where I used Netflix for a very long while. Now question is how I am getting this much amazing battery life and how you can also get. Well, it is quite simple. What you need to do is you need to apply few settings and you to take care of few things. So without any further delay, let's jump into this video. First of all, let's talk about the settings. What settings you can do to enhance the battery life of your iPhone. So what you need to do is first of all go to your settings over here. Once you are in the settings, next what you need to do is go to the privacy and security over here. Once you are over here, go to the tracking, turn off the tracking for every other application just like this. This is turned off, and you can see it is turned off for every other application. Now once you turn off these settings, what you need to do is you need to go to the location settings, location services over here, and from here you need to go to location alerts and see if this on, it is on, it is fine. Go back and now go all the way down over here, go to the system services, go all the way down over here. There will be a section known as product improvement. From here, turn off the location for every other thing. Basically what it does, if it is on, it try to improve apps, routing and traffic and analytics for Apple. It is not for you, it is not helping you in any possible way. Maybe it is going to help Apple to improve the maps, but gonna take years. But what is important for you is the battery life. So turn this off, it will help to save the battery life in the background. No, when you are in the system services over here, as you can see, what you can do is you can customize these system services according to your choice. You don't have to turn on every other setting from here. You can turn off few, and you can customize according to your choice. For example, if you like me and you don't use HomeKit, you can just turn this off. You don't have to turn this on. Just like that, I don't use Apple Pay at all, so I have turned off that too. What it will do is it will stop using location for these specific things which I actually don't use, and it help to give me a better battery life. Do this. Um Once you have done this, I have a very cool tip over here. For these application, never use the option of always. You can use while using this app or never. These are the best option. Never use always over here. Always will consume lot of your battery life. As you can see, most of the apps are on while using or never. So you can do this and enhance the usage of your location services, and it will also let you have more battery life. So once you do this, you need to go back over here. Once you are down over here, you can go to the analytics improvement, turn this off. You don't have to turn this on. Go back, go to Apple advertising, turn this off too. Now once you have done this, you have enhanced the settings pretty much. There is one more thing you can do. Is what you can do is go on the top of the settings, go to general over here, go to the background app refresh. Now from here you can turn on or off background app refresh for every other application, as you can see that you have installed on your iPhone. So background app refresh basically is important for the apps that are supposed to be running in the background. And for example, it is important for WhatsApp to be running in the background, so it is on, as you can see. But if there is any app like news application, for example, here is this news app. I don't want this app to be running in the background continuously, so I have turned this off. This way you can customize the background app refresh. If you want any app to be keep running in the background, you can turn off, and if you don't care about that app, you can just turn it off. So it is going to help a lot. So these were the settings that can help to improve the battery life of your iPhone. Now, there are few things that you also need to take care of. First of all, follow the 2080 rule. Apple also, talk about this. There are lots of articles about this. 2080 is a must rule. 2080 rule will help to enhance the battery life and also improve the battery health. So, what is 2080 rule? It is a very basic, simple rule. What you need to do is simply never let your device go beyond 20%. Right now it is 25%. Right after shooting this video, I will put it on a charging. I will try my best that it never drops more than below 20, and try to keep your phone until 80%. Or if you want to go out and you need a battery in emergency, it is fine. You can go up to 90 or 95%, but never charge up to 100%. This way your battery cycles will start to complete very quickly, and that will decrease the battery health, and that is not an ideal thing to do. So follow this 2080 rule. You are near 20%, put it on charging. It is near 80%, just stop charging your phone and start using it whenever the way you want. This is a really cool thing, and it is also going to help to enhance the battery life of your iPhone. Now there is another thing. What you can do is, and you need to make sure whatever data cable you are using, whatever your charging brick you are using, make sure it is from Apple or it is MFI. Now, what is MFI? MFI is manufactured for iPhone kind of thing, or made for iPhone. I don't remember properly, but MFI certified chargers and cables are the most must be your priority. Now, I got a lot of questions from your side that I am using original Apple charger, but still battery life is decreasing. Why? Because there are lots of third-party fake copies of Apple charger available in the market. So it is better to use MFI certified chargers that can be from different brands like Anchor or Bezos, or I don't know. So many brands are there. Just check if they are MFI, you can use them. They will be better than the copy of original Apple chargers. Well, these are the few tricks and tips I want to throw out to you to help you so you can enhance the battery life and you can get the battery life the way I'm getting on my iPhone. Well, you can apply these tips to any iOS version. If you're running iOS 18.1, 18.1.1, whatever iOS version you are running, these are can be applied on every single one, and they are going to enhance your experience. Well, this is all from this video, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.